PSA. My new name is Jetski. Okay? Don't call me Lil Pump. Call me Jetski. Beautiful.
You see what the fuck is going on?
Ronnie J in the cut.
Yeah.
Whatever, yeah. Like it is tucked in the sweater. My stars gonna pop it wherever, yeah. Pop it wherever, yeah.
Hey man, you already know what the fuck going on.
The fuck you driving in? Vanderhall?
Man, y'all can't get this shit. This is rockstar shit.
True rockstar life. Champion gang?
You got some larges in there? Hey man, you already know what the fuck going on.
The fuck you driving in? Vanderhall?
Man, y'all can't get this shit. This is rockstar shit.
True rockstar life. Champion gang?
You got some
You're stupid for breaking the glass window in the Rolls Royce. You know you gotta pay for that. What's up, everybody? Appreciate everybody from the video shoot yesterday. Production team, everything. Y'all did a great job. We about to go crazy with this shit. I woke up with a swollen jaw with my wisdom tooth. I look fat as shit. Yeah, bitch, a little pumping and shit. To drop 300,000 on some jewelry, bitch. Skit it! Yeah, bitch, a little pumping and shit. To drop 300,000 on some jewelry, bitch. Skit it! Put that hoe to sleep.
You know, pump the veterinarian. Rub this with a little bust down.
Rub with the pinky ring. It's sleeping now. What the fuck? How do you wake it up? You just touch it? Yo.